So over here in the Word document, let's say what I want to do is I want to go ahead and add in a to-do list with a checkbox. In that case, I can go around over here and let's say, for example, type in whatever I want as a list. Let's say, for example, I'm going to go around and say low cost right here, just like this. And I'm going to go around and say easy enrollment right here, just like this. And I'm going to go around and say effectiveness right here, just like this. So now in order to go ahead and turn these into checkboxes, I can simply select them out right here and then go around and turn it into a to-do list right here, just like this. And you can actually see that I can go ahead and check them off right here, just like this as well. So these are actually interactive, as you can see. I can go ahead right here and click and drag to change around the location of each of the points, edit it out further if I want to, and even go ahead and press enter to go ahead and add in another point as I like as well. For example, I'm going to go around and say global right here, just like this, and you can see that this is what you have, and you can go ahead and change this out as you like, just like that as well. So that is how you can go ahead and then use the to-do list right here, change the list into to-do list inside of Terabox Word Editor. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.